Here we're putting in a high efficiency boiler, and this type of boiler requires a chimney liner, and so you can see where we made an opening. With this opening, what we'll do is we'll install a T and then cement it afterwards, so that this T will accommodate two types of appliances. This water heater over here, and as well as this brand new boiler. And here we're showing you the T for the chimney liner. We're splitting the chimney liner for hot water use as well as for the boiler, and that's why we're putting this T. It's a stainless steel T. And here you see it's being supported with bricks so that it's nice and stable. We make sure the job is done properly. Whenever we do a chimney liner, you're going to get the best type of service as well as materials. And above, you can see the chimneys being serviced. One chimney already has a liner, and we're putting a rain cap on it with a pest screen, and we're making sure it's waterproof all around as well as on the sides. And the other one here, that one too is going to get a liner. That's the one we're showing you downstairs with a larger hole. Again, this chimney will have a rain cap as well as a pest screen. When we do chimney liners, we make sure that you're getting the appropriate size liner, as well as the best material and labor possible. Here you're looking at a water heater, internally behind the flue piping is a chimney liner, and you can't see, but we use commercial duty chimney stainless steel liners. And here you're looking at a Bergen boiler that we also installed. Here we're using galvanized piping and heavy duty copper piping. This is to extend the boiler's life. This way the pipes won't be rusting. And so if you need any type of job, boiler installations, chimney liner installations, chimney repairs of all sorts, please contact us. Thank you.